Welcome to AutoRevX, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, test drives, and the latest automotive news. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kia K4, a game-changer in the compact sedan segment. This model replaces the Kia Forte, bringing a bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and an engaging driving experience. Kia has truly stepped up its game with a fastback-inspired silhouette, featuring a wide front grille and vertically stacked LED headlights, giving the K4 a modern, aggressive stance. The sleek roofline and sculpted side panels create a sporty and aerodynamic look, while the full-width LED taillight bar at the rear enhances its futuristic appeal. With multiple wheel options ranging from 16 to 18 inches, the K4 offers a range of styling choices to match different trim levels. Stepping inside, the K4's interior feels more premium than its price tag suggests. The nearly 30-inch digital display dominates the dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. This intuitive interface is responsive and easy to use, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto coming standard. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and a driver-focused layout. A wireless charging pad, USB-C ports, and an available Bose premium sound system elevate the experience. Rear passengers benefit from class-leading legroom, making long trips more comfortable. Under the hood, the K4 offers two engine choices. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower, paired with a CVT for smooth and efficient driving. While it's adequate for daily commutes, those seeking more power can opt for the 1.6-liter turbocharged engine in the GT Line Turbo, delivering 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This sportier variant offers quicker acceleration and a more engaging driving experience, complemented by sport-tuned suspension and paddle shifters. On the road, the K4 delivers a balanced ride with precise steering, and while not a sports car, it offers a confident, composed drive that stands out in its segment. Safety is a priority for Kia, and the K4 is packed with up to 29 driver assistance features. Standard systems include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims offer additional features like a 360-degree camera system and a semi-autonomous highway driving assist, making the K4 one of the safest sedans in its class. Starting at $21,990, the K4 offers exceptional value, with trims ranging from the base LX to the high-performance GT Line Turbo. Each trim level adds more luxury and tech features, with the top-end model reaching just under $30,000. Compared to rivals like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and Hyundai Elantra, the K4 stands out with its futuristic interior, strong safety features, and overall refinement. If you're in the market for a stylish, tech-packed, and well-priced sedan, the 2025 Kia K4 is one of the best choices available. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. This is AutoRevX. Let's get started.